in science today, you guys are going to be looking at these 2 pages, which I've scanned for you and sent with your weekly schedule. You are going to take a close look at this page, read the words, but also pay close attention to these pictures. And then you can also take a look at this diagram over here. And then you're going to answer a couple questions at the bottom. You're going to answer number 1 and number 2, but you're not going to do the one at the bottom, just these 2 here. And today we're really talking about life cycles of plants. So I'll give you a hint for 2C. It says that, or I guess just for number 2, you should choose a plant that you're familiar with, it says. I suggest you go with beans because we planted a bean, you paid attention to that bean. Quite a few of you have that bean growing in your house, so you've really been able to see it as it is maturing and growing. It's probably not an adult plant yet, like a fully matured plant. We know that it would be if it is starting to produce seeds and fruit, okay? So unless your bean plant is actually starting to grow flowers or beans, it's still sort of like a teenager plant, all right? So seeds and plants go through 4 main, what is the word I'm looking for? They go through 4 main stages of their life. They start as a seed, right? All plants start out as a seed, and some seeds look very different than other seeds. Some are quite big, some are quite tiny, but that's how they start. And then they turn into a seedling. This is what we saw in the classroom when we were planting our seeds in the bags. When they started to germinate, and we started seeing things coming out of the seeds, those were seedlings, okay? There's these little tiny baby plants. After that, you're getting a young plant, okay? So it is starting to grow. It probably has leaves, but it isn't producing fruit and it isn't producing seeds yet. And then finally, it becomes an adult, fully grown, mature plant. It can produce seeds or fruit, and that's how it starts the cycle over, right? If it can produce seeds, then those seeds can blow away or get eaten, etc., and start the cycle all over again. That's how we know that it's at the end of its cycle. After that, it probably will die, although plenty of plants like trees will stay alive for hundreds of years. But the idea is that they don't really grow any older or more mature once they're able to make seeds. All right, so read through this. If you have a garden, go take a look at what's growing. I hope you're paying attention to your yards. I know many of you have gardens at home. I've got one outside. I'm pretty excited with how things are already growing. My pepper plants already, so I'm videotaping this on the May long weekend. You guys are gonna watch this a few days after I film it. My pepper plants, there's already a whole bunch of teeny tiny baby peppers starting to grow. So I'm really excited about that. So anyway, take a look outside, answer these questions. There'll be a place to hand them in online. If you want to type your answers, that might be the easiest way to do it. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.